Ever wondered how a single Ethernet cable can simultaneously power your security camera and transmit HD footage? The magic lies in PoE technology, but not all power over Ethernet standards are created equal. Let's crack open the electrical toolbox to understand PoE+, and PoE++, the original game changer, PoE 802.3 AF. Meet the foundation, delivering up to 15.4 W per port through standard network cables. This protocol became the backbone for basic smart devices. IP phones maintaining crystal clear calls, stationary security cameras, streaming 24/7, and entry-level wireless access points keeping your coffee shop Wi-Fi alive. Think of it as the electrical equivalent of a USB-A charger, reliable for essentials but limited for heavy lifting. The power upgrade, PoE plus 802.3 at when devices started demanding more juice. The 3OWK PoE plus emerged. This standard fuels sophisticated gear like pan-tilt zoom cameras that require constant motorized movement, high-density Wi-Fi 5 access points handling dozens of simultaneous connections, and digital signage displays illuminating retail spaces. It's the difference between powering a desk lamp versus an entire workstation, same cable infrastructure. Doubled energy potential, the heavyweight champion PoE++ 800-3 BT. Enter the 62100W powerhouse revolutionizing enterprise tech. PoE transforms Ethernet cables into supercharged energy highways, supporting video conferencing systems with integrated heaters for frosty boardrooms, AI-powered surveillance cameras processing facial recognition locally, and even compact LED lighting grids. This standard turns network ports into universal power outlets. Imagine charging a laptop through the same cable transferring 4K video feeds. Why does this wattage war matter? Each tier impacts installation costs and future-proofing. While PoE++ switches cost more upfront, they eliminate separate power circuits for edge computing devices. The golden rule: match your standard to both current needs and anticipated upgrades. Mixing standards within a network is possible, but prioritize consistency for power-hungry zones. Next time you see 802.3 on network gear, you'll instantly know whether it's packing basic voltage or supercharged energy. No electrical engineering degree required.